Ride your bicycle. Okay, get on it. Get on your bicycle.
Pedal your bike. You want to go down the slide? Ty, go down the slide.
What do you have? What is that?
It doesn't pick up voice, Mom.
Doesn't? Is that a car? I think it does. Whoa! Whoa! You ran over Mima's foot. Bye-bye. Is that your big truck? Say, big truck. Is that your car? What is that? Yes, where are the tires? Where are the tires? Yes. What are you doing? There's a bug in there? There's a big bug? Say big bug.
Big bug.
Probably need about $50.
Do your cheerleader. Do go Vipers.
Go people.
Go Vipers.
Go people. Go.
Okay.